Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we continue creating our custom hook, and if you didn't see my last video you can go to my channel. In the last video we created use query media, and today we are going to create another custom hook in React. This time we'll create a use dark mode hook. This hook helps us easily switch between light and dark modes in our application. Let's get started. Okay, open our code, and first step we'll clear our app component, delete code from the last lesson. And now we can start creating our custom hook. Create new file and name this file use dark mode. Also add extensions JS and open our file, and this time we'll be using two hooks. We need use effect from React, and also we'll be using our use local storage. We can close our use mouse position and use media query, and here's our use local storage. If you didn't watch my video how to create this hook, you can go to description and I'll add link to that video. Okay, and first import use effect from React, and also import our use local storage. Okay, and now we can start creating our use dark mode hook. Create new const, and we can copy name and paste here. And now we need to create function. This function won't have any arguments. And now we can create state enable our dark mode or not. Create new const, and we'll be using our use local storage. We can use destructurization. Create our state, enable it, and set enable it. We can copy, but change first letter. Okay, and now we can call our hook use local store, and like you remember, our hook take two arguments, k and value. We can add k dark mode, and default we can add value false. Okay, our state is ready. Okay, and next we can create use effect, and this hook will be take a function and array with dependencies. This time we have only one dependencies. It will be our enabled. Add these dependencies, and now we need to create a class for our dark mode. Create new const, and we can call this variable class name. Okay, and we can use our k passed here. Okay, and also we need to get all classes from our body. Create new const and call this const body class, and we'll be using object window property document, and now we can get our body, and we need class list. Okay, and now we need to create condition. If our enable will be true, we need to add our class for body using our const body class and method add, and pass here our class name. But if our enabled will be false, we need to delete our class. Copy this code and change method. Now we need method remove. Okay, our condition is ready, and in the end we need to return two elements from our hook. We'll be using array, and we need to return enable and our function to change our enable. Okay, our hook is ready, and in the end we need to export our hook using export. And now let's see how we can use this hook in our React component. Open our app component and let's call our hook create new const, and we can use in destructurization, but first we'll call our hook useDarkMode. Okay, and like you remember, our hook return array with 2 elements, and now we can use destructurization to get these elements. We can name dark and set dark. Also you can add dark mode, but it doesn't necessarily. Okay, and next let's create some markup. Create new h2 tag, and we can print our state. Create condition. If our dark is true, we can print dark mode. If our dark is false, we can print light mode. Okay, and also create button for change our mode. Create new button and add on click, and we'll be using callback and call our set dark and create inside new function with argument pro, and we need to switch this pro. Okay, now let's look at the window. Here's our text and here's our button, but I forgot to add text inside our button. Let's correct this mistake. Write some text like toggle mode. Okay, open our window and let's try to change our mode. Like you see, now our mode is light, and like you see, it works. And also let's try to update our page. Like you see, our dark mode was saved. It because we used local storage, and all time when people will be switch their mode, it will be saved to local store. And it's very useful because we quite often using light and dark theme. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video lesson.